Schiit makes divisive products. Some people like their stuff while others don't. I do not know what the split is. Is it 50-50 or something else? I have several Schiit products, the Magni 3, the Sis, the Loki, the Lear, and the Jotunheim. None of these products have a consistent sound signature, for better or for worse. I like the Magni 3 for the sheer power it provides, but it sounds pretty harsh, grainy, and steely. When combined with more analytical headphones or those with a treble peak, the Magni 3 can be unbearable. But the Magni 3 has now been discontinued. You can find it at half price on the Schiit website. In its place are two new products, the Magni 3 Plus and the Magni Heresy. The 3 Plus is an all-discrete amplifier made up of individual transistors. Schiit calls the 3 Plus a, quote, super advanced amp. Audio Science Review disagrees. But the Heresy, now that is something different. Schiit says that the Heresy is 100% op-amp based and has spectacular measurements. Schiit provides a list of the op-amps they use in this device, so the Heresy is different from Schiit's other products because it is their first all op-amp based amplifier. The Heresy provides 2.8 watts of power at 16 ohms and 215 milliwatts at 600 ohms. Very nice amplification. Between the Magni 3 Plus and Heresy, Schiit says there is barely any difference in distortion or noise. In low gain, the 3 Plus has 0.0005% THD. In low gain, the Heresy has 0.0002% THD. If you can hear the difference between these numbers, you may have the world's best ear canal. The Heresy comes with circuit protection, so you can leave your headphones plugged in all the time when you turn on and turn off the amplifier. I have been listening to the Heresy for almost a week, off and on. I've switched back and forth between the Heresy and the Magni 3. And frankly, I think the Heresy does not have the harshness present with the Magni 3. The Heresy looks only a little different from the other Magni products. It is the same size, uses the same knob, has the same power adapter, and has the same screws to assemble the unit. Other than the internals, the next biggest difference is the color choice. The Heresy stands out amongst its other Schiit brothers with its black and red color scheme. I like it a lot. Schiit's silver color profile is a bit cheap looking. I figure they like that. I mean, they do call their company Schiit. But the Heresy has a rough texture. It feels like a smooth asphalt. There is a light indicator on the front, just as there is with the other Magni products. However, whereas the other amplifiers have a white LED, the Heresy uses red. Overall, I can say that the Heresy has no audible distortion or noise. With my headphones plugged in and no music playing, the volume cranked up all the way, I hear no noise. As for the sound, I would say this is pretty neutral. There is no emphasis or de-emphasis in any of the frequency range, at least nothing that I have been able to hear so far. I probably would not use any of Schiit's products for professional work or critical listening, but for affordable yet powerful amplifiers, this Schiit is hard to beat. I will conduct a thorough review and comparison between the Magni Heresy and other amplifiers soon. If you like this content or any of my other content, please support me on Patreon. For the price of 1 cup of coffee per month, you can help me save money to buy products for thorough testing, something that the vast majority of other reviewers fail to do. Any help you could provide would be much appreciated.